Social media is a great place to market your business for free, but what platforms should you be using and how do you keep up with all of them? We are getting into the easiest way to implement a Pinterest strategy into your content strategy that you have right now, won't take up too much of your time, and that will have your business on another social platform and expanding your social media real estate. Hi, I'm Ariana. I'm a social media manager. On this channel, we talk about socials for business, content creation and content marketing, and work-life balance. That sounds like something you're interested in. I highly suggest subscribing. So if you're thinking about starting a Pinterest business account, you definitely should, because Pinterest can be a very powerful tool, just like all of the other social media platforms. And if you think that your business would thrive on Pinterest, you should definitely hop on it. I love social media because it is a great way to market your business, especially because you don't have to pay a dime to do so. You just need a good strategy. I also want to mention that this isn't a hardcore Pinterest strategy where you're guaranteed to blow up and go viral. This is an easy strategy that you can implement into your social media game right now. As a busy business owner, utilize this social media platform, add it into your schedule seamlessly, get results, but just keep in mind that this is a marathon and not a race. So getting into the Pinterest algorithm, it is basically a search engine. Just like how Google works, people type in a topic or whatever they're searching for based on keywords. The content that they're shown are images and videos with clickable links that leads to a different site. This is a great place for people to grow their blog, get more reach and traffic to your website, direct traffic to a different area, promote your offer, and grow a following as well. A couple things to keep in mind when you are creating pins and content for this platform is to remember SEO. SEO means search engine optimization, which is basically sprinkling keywords literally everywhere so that you are ranking in search and that you do pop up if someone searches for a topic that you have content for. There are a couple places to put your keywords in your Pinterest account, including your bio, your tags, your description, your board titles, literally anywhere that Pinterest asks you to add text to. Make sure it's keyword rich. And doing keyword research on Pinterest is super easy. All you have to do is just search up topics relating to your niche, and then you'll get suggested keywords that people often search. So make sure you just write this down, keep it in your notes. All you have to do is copy and paste when you do go ahead and create a pin. So moving into the strategy, you can post on Pinterest however many times you like, but I would definitely go in the direction of looking at how often you create content for other platforms. For example, if you post once a day, every single week, which is 7 posts per week, you should try to post the same amount on Pinterest. And the easiest way and seamless way to add this into your schedule is just by repurposing the content that you already make for other platforms. Like I said, you can post your TikTok videos into Pinterest, your feed posts, and maybe some good story posts as well. Make sure your content is valuable, but definitely use content that you already have. So we're not creating anything new here. We're just repurposing content that we've already made. So now you should have a posting schedule for Pinterest, and all you have to do is go ahead and schedule your pins. So there are a couple different places to post on Pinterest, or a couple different formats that you can use. There are idea pins, which are story posts on Pinterest, and there is also a short form video section of Pinterest where you can post your TikToks or your reels. And then there are regular pins, which are static images. So all of these places do include a title, description, and a clickable link, except for the idea pins. So all you need to do after you have all of your content for the week is go ahead and schedule. It takes about 15 minutes a week if you have everything you need beforehand, which we're getting into right now. I would definitely suggest to do your keyword research and have everything on hand in your notes app, on a doc somewhere, and reuse these keywords whenever you go to schedule a pin. As I said before, just make sure that all of the text that you are adding to your pins are very keyword rich, and there are a couple places that you can schedule your pins for free. The first place is Tailwind, which is a third-party app or website. You can make a free account that allows you to post up to 20 pins per month. So depending on your posting schedule, this should be fine for you, but if you want to post more, there is a way. You can also schedule your pins through Pinterest Desktop, which I do all the time. You have unlimited pins. I do highly suggest posting idea pins, but for these you would have to kind of draft and save into your phone or your device, and then go and post throughout your day or throughout the week. So depending on the type of content that you have, that is what your scheduling would look like. I would definitely suggest optimizing the Tailwind app to go ahead and schedule idea pins, because on Pinterest Desktop, you can't schedule idea pins, but you can schedule the static images. which are the regular pins. So I highly suggest going in and looking at what type of content you have and where you can go ahead and schedule them. And then all you need to do is type up the title, description, tags, and add your link. I also want to mention that your description and title and tags do not have to be a really thought out caption. They don't have to be anything that you really have to sit down and think about. It just needs to have good keywords, hence your keyword doc. You can definitely just copy and paste all of these, but make sure that the tags and the words that you're using are relative to the topic of your pin. Of course, posting more pins will definitely get you more reach faster, but as I said before, we are talking about a seamless way to add this into your schedule in your content marketing situation. So just to recap, you're going to take all of the content that you already make for the week for all of your other platforms. You're going to go ahead and do your keyword research on Pinterest, keywords that people often search on Pinterest in your niche. You're going to write them all down, make sure you have them somewhere safe, and then at the end of the week or at the beginning of your week, whenever you have time, you're going to sit down and you're going to schedule everything. Same posting schedule as your other platforms. So hopefully now you feel well equipped to go ahead and start your Pinterest journey for your business page. If you found anything valuable from this video, I would really appreciate if you leave a like down below. If you'd like to see more content like this and more content from me, I highly suggest subscribing. If you have any more video suggestions you'd like to see from me, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!